Hello my lovely foodie members, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I want to share with you this simple Ghana spring rolls recipe with you all. Very easy to put together and you are going to love it. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. To start with, I'll begin by introducing my veggies. So for vegetables, I'll be using cabbage, onion, and carrots. You can also use any vegetable of your choice. Alright, next I'll start by prepping all my vegetables into the shapes or the sizes that I want. You also need to make sure you slice them into tiny pieces so that your veggies can really fit into the wrappers very well. So now let's prep everything and set it aside. Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing and commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. I don't take your support for granted at all. I really do appreciate you guys. So for my carrots, I don't usually cut them this way because it really makes it really hard for me to chew. This is to my preference. I really want mine to really slice into tiny pieces, so I usually go for the grated one, just the way you see this on the screen right now. So moving forward to a heated pan, I'll go in with just a little bit of cooking oil and I'll add in all my veggies. And I'll be frying this on low-medium heat until the veggies loosens up beautifully. I don't really love veggies that are really soft, so I want mine to be a little bit crunchy. So I won't be frying these veggies for a longer time. I will be frying this for at least 3 to 5 minutes and it should be enough. And I'm not going to just fry these veggies alone. I'll be adding other stuffs as well. So after frying this for about 3 to 4 minutes, I'll go ahead and cover it for about 1 minute for it to loosen or to steam a little bit. Afterwards, I will give it a good mix, and as you can see, the veggies has loosened up a little bit, and that is what I'm looking for. So moving forward, I'll go in with some spices which will enhance the taste of these veggies as well. So I'll go in with some garlic, ginger and onion powder. Moving forward, I'll also go in with some curry powder, pepper powder and some salt to taste. I'll give it a good mix. Afterwards, you can just taste for it and see if it is okay for you. If it's not enough, you can go in with more spices or salt to taste to your preference or to your taste. All right, afterwards I'll go in with some sardines which will add extra taste to the veggies and also the spring rolls as well. Trust me, I just love this combo and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. So I'll give it a good mix and allow it to steam for about 1 to 2 minutes and it should be ready. And after it is ready, you just have to set it aside and allow it to cool down completely. Alright, so now our veggies have cooled down completely. So I'll go ahead and fill in with my wrappers, just the way you see it on your screens right now. Any amount of veggies that you add to it really depends on how full you want your spring rolls to be. Alright, this is just perfect for me. So I'll go ahead and just flip it over, just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. And to also make sure your spring rolls doesn't open in the process of frying it, you just have to make sure to seal it very well with some of the paste that we made earlier on. All right, so afterward, this is how it's supposed to be. It's looking all good and very neat. So now let's set this aside and repeat the process one more time. Whilst that is going on, if you haven't still give this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up, share this video also to reach wider audience, and please do to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Don't forget that subscribing is free, so please don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel. Is very, very important. Alright, so whilst we are done wrapping the spring rolls, all that is left is start to heat up some oil. Make sure the oil gets a little bit hot, not too hot, because we don't want our spring rolls to fry very easily. All right, so to test if the oil is hot enough, I'll test it with some of the wrappers, which I didn't know what to use it for. And as you can see, it's really floating on the surface of the oil, indicating that the oil is hot enough for us to drop in our spring rolls. So I'll drop in all the spring rolls. Make sure not to overcrowd your pot. All right, so we're going to fry this on low medium heat until it turns into the perfect golden brown color that we're looking for. Very, very easy and quick as well. Alright, so as you can see, the spring rolls has really turned into the perfect golden brown color that I'm looking for. So I'm going to remove this from the oil and repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. Alright, so fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this spring rolls recipe. It came out so good, and I hope you're going to give it a try, and I will be waiting for you in the comment section to read all your beautiful comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching this video, and kindly stay blessed. Bye.